Welcome to KR Solar's Vehicle Damage Process Overview. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps for handling vehicle damage, from documenting the incident to securing repair approvals. This process helps keep our fleet safe, minimizes downtime, and ensures that every incident is managed efficiently. Let's walk through each step to ensure smooth handling and timely repairs for any vehicle damage that may occur. Technicians should immediately document any vehicle damage by taking clear photos from multiple angles, noting the date and time. Then, promptly inform the immediate supervisor to initiate the process. Report the incident via email, including key details like the date, time, location, a description of the incident, and a priority level based on the severity of the damage from low, medium, to high. The supervisor or designated team member assesses the damage to decide if the vehicle is safe to drive or requires immediate repairs. Supervisors should also obtain repair estimates from authorized providers, documenting costs and recommended timelines. Complete a standardized claims form with incident details, priority level, photos, repair estimates, and technician contact information. This form supports a comprehensive review. The claims team reviews the form, verifies the priority level and documentation, and submits approved claims to management for final approval. The technician is informed of the decision and provided with any instructions. If approved, technicians receive authorization for repairs, including details on approved repair shops or reimbursement procedures. Follow-up is conducted to confirm repairs are completed to satisfaction, and technicians are encouraged to share feedback to improve the process. By following the vehicle damage process, we ensure that all incidents are documented, reported, and resolved efficiently, keeping our vehicles safe and ready for the job. Remember, prompt action, clear communication, and proper documentation are key to maintaining a smooth process. Thank you for your commitment to protecting our fleet and supporting safe, responsible operations at KR Solar.